Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to unbox this Ancestry DNA kit. And yes guys, it also comes with extra traits. I actually never tried it before, and it actually consists with 4 different steps. Step number 1 is called activate your kit. Step number 2, collect your saliva. Third, mail your sample, and number 4, explore your results. So I'm extremely excited to find out what I'm made of and what kind of roots am I in. I mean, I kind of know what my family told me, of course, but again, it is always exciting to find out more information. And yes, here it says, welcome to a new whole world of personal discoveries. You probably know someone of your family history, but what you can learn from your DNA can make a profound impact on how you see yourself. Thanks for choosing us to learn more about the story of you, the Ancestry family. And yes guys, so here is my unique activation code. And again, basically here are all of the steps. I really like this manual. And look guys, so many interesting things. Here is your sample collection. And again, human specimen. Here it is already with the code for you. So I would just have to basically place it and mail it. So it's actually quite simple. So yes, it says fill the tube with saliva to black wavy line. Fill the tube until your saliva, not including bubbles, is at or just above the wavy line. It's easy that it's less than half of a teaspoon. Do not overfill. Then replace the funnel with the cap, tighten and release stabilizing fluid. Shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. Place the tube in the collection bag and mail your sample. So yes guys, it says do not eat, drink, smoke or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. I actually ate about 15 minutes ago, so I'm going to wait another 15 minutes. So yes guys, it's about approximately an hour since I ate or drank water, and I am about to collect my sample for Ancestry DNA kit. Super excited about that. And again, here is the shipping box. And let's again do 1, 2, 3. Number 1, fill the tube with the saliva. And again guys, here is the kit itself. So all right, let's open it up. And again, this is the sample. So I'm just going to familiarize myself with all this. And yes, guys, looks like this screws kind of on top or not. This is for the saliva contents. Oh, I see. So yes, guys, basically at first I need to release my saliva in here. Oh, it doesn't screw, just like this. All right, let me do it in a classy way. I hope it might be enough, but just in case, I'm going to add a little bit more. All right, so basically I spit in there, and yes, it kind of looks like it's filled, and it says it as it or just above the wavy line. It's easy that it's less of a quarter of a teaspoon, and it says do not overfill. So maybe just a little bit more. All right, guys, I try to do it in a classy way, and yes, it's about there right now, about that above that wavy line, or actually a little bit less. It's probably still enough, but I just added a little bit more. And now here is the part that you actually screw on. So I'm going to screw this part on like this. And now I'm going to remove the funnel from the tube. Oh, okay. Did I remove? Oh, yes, guys. So it's actually coming in. All right, like this. To release the solution that will stabilize DNA in your saliva. Okay, the solution is released. That's amazing. All right. Okay. So it looks like this part is actually done. The solution is released. And now tighten to release the stabilizing fluid. You will know it works when the blue solution from the cap has emptied into the tube, which exactly happened just now. And then shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And then place the tube in the collection bag. And it says place the sample inside the collection bag, which is this box. Seal the bag with adhesive stripe, which is right there, and mail your sample. How easy was that? I mean, I prepared for basically a longer procedure, right? But again, I'm just going to basically screw this on top, and it looks like it's just secures everything in place. How cool is that? So yes, guys, it's nice and tightly there. And what I'm just going to do is basically put it in there. I'm not sure what this part is for. It says collection bag. Insert cap tube into the bag, seal the collection bag, put bag into the mailer. All right, guys. So yes, this is the step number 4. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. All right. Yeah, so this part, I guess, just going to be there. And again, it's nice and tightly inserted. So I'm going to put tube in there and just basically seal everything up. All right. So yes, it is sealed nice and tightly. And right now I'm just going to put it in there. All right. So it actually already knows my number and everything. Okay. And now I'm just going to basically glue it all together like this. Okay. All right, guys, all ready to go. So super excited to find out some kind of ancestors that I might not know about.